Welcome to this GCSE Maths lesson on the area and circumference of circles. We have 16 questions, each with a live diagram. I will read every question for you first, then work through the solutions step by step. Let's begin. Find the circumference of a circle with radius 5 centimeters. Give your answer in terms of pi and as a decimal. The formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Substitute in the radius of 5 centimeters. C equals 2 times pi times 5. The exact answer in terms of pi is 10 pi centimeters. As a decimal, 10 times pi equals approximately 31.42 centimeters. The circumference is 10 pi centimeters, or approximately 31.42 centimeters. Find the circumference of a circle with diameter 12 centimeters. When given the diameter, use C equals pi d. Substitute in the diameter of 12. 12 times pi equals approximately 37.7 centimeters. The circumference is 12 pi centimeters, approximately 37.7 centimeters. A circle has circumference 40 centimeters. Find the radius. Give your answer to one decimal place. We know C equals 2 pi r. Rearrange to make r the subject. R equals C divided by 2 pi. Substitute in C equals 40. 2 pi equals approximately 6.2832. 40 divided by 6.2832 equals approximately 6.4 centimeters. The radius is approximately 6.4 centimeters. Find the arc length of a sector with radius 9 centimeters and angle 60 degrees. The arc length formula is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Substitute in 60 degrees and radius 9. 60 over 360 simplifies to 1/6. 1/6 times 18 pi equals 3 pi. 3 pi is approximately 9.42 centimeters. The arc length is 3 pi centimeters, approximately 9.42 centimeters. Find the perimeter of a sector with radius 8 centimeters and angle 90 degrees. First find the arc length. 90 over 360 times 2 pi times 8. 90 over 360 equals 1/4. 1/4 times 16 pi equals 4 pi. The perimeter of a sector is the arc length plus the two straight radius edges. 4 pi plus 2 times 8 equals 4 pi plus 16. 4 pi is approximately 12.57. 12.57 plus 16 equals 28.57 centimeters. The perimeter of the sector is 4 pi plus 16, approximately 28.57 centimeters. Find the perimeter of a semicircle with diameter 14 centimeters. The radius is diameter divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7 centimeters. The curved part is half the full circumference, which equals pi r pi times 7 equals 7 pi. The straight edge is the diameter, which is 14 centimeters. Total perimeter equals 7 pi plus 14. 7 pi is approximately 21.99. Plus 14 equals 35.99 centimeters. The perimeter of the semicircle is 7 pi plus 14, approximately 36 centimeters. Find the area of a circle with radius 6 centimeters. The formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. Substitute in the radius of 6. 6 squared equals 36. 36 times pi equals approximately 113.1 centimeters squared. The area is 36 pi centimeters squared, approximately 113.1 centimeters squared. Find the area of a circle with diameter 10 centimeters. First find the radius. Diameter divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5 centimeters. Apply the area formula. A equals pi r squared. 5 squared equals 25. 25 pi equals approximately 78.54 centimeters squared. The area is 25 pi, approximately 78.54 centimeters squared. A circle has area 50 centimeters squared. Find the radius. Give your answer to one decimal place. Start with A equals pi r squared. Rearrange to make a squared the subject. R squared equals a divided by pi. 50 divided by pi equals approximately 15.915. Take the square root. Root 15.915 equals approximately 4.0 centimeters. The radius is approximately 4.0 centimeters. Find the area of a sector with radius 10 centimeters and angle 72 degrees. The area of a sector formula is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Substitute in 72 degrees and radius 10. 72 over 360 simplifies to 1/5. 1/5 times 100 pi equals 20 pi. 20 pi is approximately 62.83 centimeters squared. The area of the sector is 20 pi, approximately 62.83 centimeters squared. Find the area of a semicircle with radius 7 centimeters. The area of a semicircle is half the area of a full circle. A equals a half times pi r squared. Substitute in the radius of 7. 7 squared is 49. A half times 49 pi equals 24.5 pi. 24.5 pi is approximately 76.97 centimeters squared. The area of the semicircle is 24.5 pi, approximately 77 centimeters squared. A shape is made of a rectangle measuring 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters with a semicircle on top whose diameter is 10 centimeters. Find the total area. Area of the rectangle is length times width. 10 times 8 equals 80 centimeters squared. The diameter of the semicircle is 10, so the radius is 5 centimeters. Area of the semicircle equals a half times pi times 5 squared, which is 12.5 pi, approximately 39.27 centimeters squared. Total area equals 80 plus 39.27 equals approximately 119.27 centimeters squared. The total area of the composite shape is approximately 119.27 centimeters squared. Find the area of the shaded ring between two circles. The outer radius is 9 centimeters and the inner radius is 5 centimeters. The area of an annulus is pi times the difference of the squares of the radii. Outer radius squared. 9 squared equals 81. Inner radius squared. 5 squared equals 25. 81 minus 25 equals 56. 56 pi is approximately 175.93 centimeters squared. The area of the shaded ring is 56 pi, approximately 175.93 centimeters squared. A circular pond has diameter 6 meters. A path 1 meter wide surrounds the pond. Find the area of the path. Give your answer to 2 decimal places. The radius of the pond is diameter divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3 meters. The outer radius includes the path. 3 plus 1 equals 4 meters. Use the annulus formula. 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. 16 minus 9 equals 7. 7 pi is approximately 21.99 meters squared. The area of a circle is 200 centimeters squared. Find the diameter. Give your answer to one decimal place. Rearrange a equals pi r squared to find a squared. 200 divided by pi. 200 divided by pi equals approximately 63.66. Take the square root. Approximately 7.979 centimeters. The diameter is 2 times the radius. 2 times 7.979 equals approximately 16.0 centimeters. The diameter is approximately 16.0 centimeters. A circle has radius 5 centimeters. A sector of this circle has angle 120 degrees. Part A. Find the arc length of the sector. Part B. Find the area of the sector. Leave answers in terms of pi. Part A. Arc length equals 120 over 360 times 2 pi times 5. 120 over 360 equals 1/3. 1/3 times 10 pi equals 10 pi over 3 centimeters. Part B, area of sector equals 1/3 times pi times 5 squared. 1/3 times 25 pi equals 25 pi over 3 centimeters squared. Part A, the arc length is 10 pi over 3 centimeters. Part B, the area of the sector is 25 pi over 3 centimeters squared. Lesson complete. You have worked through all 16 circle questions: circumference, arc length, sector area, semicircles, annuli, and exam-style problems. Excellent work!